Hey guys, what's up? Say hi, Shyan.
Hi!
And today we're gonna do Shyan's Funtopia toy reviews. You happy? Are you happy?
Happy.
Okay. So Shyan, what did we do today? We took Daddy's sports car and we went for a ride. And Shyan went to Toy Traders again. And
No, you bought toys.
how many toys did you buy? 1, 2, 3?
I only buy toys.
You bought so many toys. And you're gonna make your daddy go broke, you know that? So, the first thing we're gonna open, Shyan actually bought 4 toys today, is a Playmobil. He has some sort of fascination with pink cars. You really like pink cars, huh? So this cost, so I think he bought this for his mom, because his mom likes pink too. So this one is, it costs $44.95. It's a Playmobil City Life car. So let's start opening it, huh? Okay.
Hi, Lucy.
So this is an age group of 5+, because Shyan is 6 years old now. And there's 68 pieces in total. So these kind of cars, it's kind of like a girly car. But Shyan likes the color pink. Because Shyan is all about stop bullying. Right, Shyan? Stop bullying. Okay, let's open it and see how many pieces are inside actually. Okay, so we're opening it slowly. We're going to build the pink car.
Oh
No.
no! The cheese is missing.
So Shyan, how did you like driving with Daddy in the car today?
Oh no, that's white pink car. Oh, that's white car.
It's a white pink car.
No, that's pink car. Wow, you put that one. Wow.
Good job,
That's
Shyan.
real.
It's a steering wheel.
Pink car.
Fix the seat. So these clips go inside the wheels as instruction 1 is saying. Like that, yeah. And then it clips onto. Cool. It's pretty simple. So step 1 is clip these clips inside of the tire. Like that. So I'm looking at these steps on how to make this. So they're pretty simple. Give me that, please. Yeah, peas. Okay, and then step 2 is to put this in. Like this, actually. Wait, we're not done yet. Stop it. We're not done yet. Stop it. We're not done yet. Excuse me, Shyan. Okay. So, what do we need from here? Shyan, come over here, please. Watch out, watch out. So we're trying to make these clip in somehow, guys. Excuse-moi, Shyan. And there you go. Okay, and these are the trees. They go like this. And this is Seema's and Shyan's.
Our boys in the car.
Oh, boys in the car? Okay, we gotta find them.
People go to bus ride.
Yeah. So this is, who is this? Tell everybody who these people are.
Yes, that's mommy.
And who's that?
Daddy.
And who's that?
Shyan. Sit down.
Yeah. And where are they going?
The wheel.
So they're going to Daddy's. They're in Daddy's pink. Oh, did he put it? Okay. Please? Say please. Okay, give Daddy to me. Daddy is sitting beside Shyan.
Daddy sit and mommy go to bus ride.
Yeah.
Gungu, 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 gungu. Dig, dig, dig.
Shyan is really enjoying his Playmobil pink car. So guys, there's in total 3 passengers in this car. Shyan named them Mummy, Daddy, and Shyan. And this is Mummy driving her car to work and taking us all over the places. So this is a good fun little toy for boys and girls to play with during quarantine.
My God,
Like I said, it cost $42.95 in total. Let's double check that price again. It was, sorry, $44.95 in total. We got it from Toy Traders in Langley. So Shyan, are you enjoying your pink car? Yes or no?
Yes, I will get the bus.